Steinhauer here with the astronomy picture of the day for Thursday, April 15th. And this is a perfect astronomy picture of the day because it lines up beautifully with what we're talking about in class right now. Here we have the image that was taken almost exactly two years ago of the central black hole in the galaxy M87. One of the most amazing images that's ever been taken in the history of astronomical imaging. This is a black hole in a galaxy that is 55 million light years away. And this was done, you can check out the links below the page for black holes this week, but it was taken with a series of radio telescopes spanning the entire globe to give us a resolution of a telescope that basically has the size of the Earth, which is what it takes to get an image of something that's this small. So this, though, gives that image some context. So M87 is a very large elliptical galaxy. You might notice this galaxy here has no real spiral arms. It's got no gas. It's got no dust. We haven't gotten to elliptical galaxies or galaxies yet in class, but that's what elliptical galaxies are. They're old dead galaxies where no star formation is currently undergoing. This is an unusual elliptical galaxy, though, because it's got this weird thing in the middle. So if you look at this thing in the X-rays, you see these two jets coming off in either direction. And so you see the very center of this galaxy, there's something there. And this jet is moving towards us at a large fraction of the speed of light. And this jet extends for thousands of light years away from the central object. This one's going away. You can't actually see the receding jet. You can only see where it interacts with the other stuff that's in this galaxy and eventually slows down and heats this gas up. But it's been long known that the central engine in this galaxy is a supermassive black hole. We're talking about billions of solar masses. The black hole at the center of the Milky Way is millions of solar masses. This is thousands of times more massive than that. And that's why it was possible to be imaged, both because it's so big, even though it's so far away, that we had a chance. And second, this one's actually feeding. This one, stuff is actually falling into this black hole. And that stuff falling in accumulates in an accretion disk, and that's what you're seeing here. Although this isn't specifically the disk itself, you're seeing a whole bunch of weird projection images of how this disk is actually projected. And that infalling material, some of it gets caught up into these jets and gets expelled at extremely high velocities in both directions. And that's why you can see this particular thing has a jet going in both directions. So there it is, the black hole in the center of M87, today's astronomy picture of the day.